In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through QuickBooks using some of its essential features, particularly focusing on managing lists and locations. This will help you streamline your accounting processes and ensure you're utilizing QuickBooks to its full potential. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page, which serves as your central hub for everything QuickBooks. From here, you'll readily find all the major features and tools you need, helping you keep your finances in order. As you take a look around, direct your attention to the navigation bar. You'll notice various options that slice across the top of your screen. This bar is designed to give you quick access to the major areas of QuickBooks. Here, we want to focus on getting into the section you'll be working in for today's task. So hold your pointer over where it says Highlight and click on it. This will bring other options into view and help you see the features available for managing your business finances effectively. Once inside, look for the option labeled All Lists. Clicking on All Lists will present you with a comprehensive view of everything you've recorded within QuickBooks, including all your suppliers, vendors, customers, and more. This section is particularly vital as it keeps everything organized and easily accessible, thus saving you time and effort down the road. Now that you're viewing all lists, you'll see an option called Locations. This is where we need to go next. Click on Locations to dive deeper into managing all the geographical locations tied to your business operations. The location feature is crucial for those managing multiple branches or venues, as it allows you to keep track of transactions and financial information pertinent to specific sites. Entering the Locations section, you'll be greeted with a detailed list, if you've already set some up, showcasing each of your business's locations. This tool is an invaluable part of QuickBooks because it enables you to segregate economic activity based on where it took place, providing clearer insights into each location's performance. It's also helpful when generating specific reports or managing inventory for different branches, and that's it. You've now learned how to navigate QuickBooks to streamline your list and location management, setting a strong foundation for organizing and analyzing your financial data effectively. This approach will save you time and minimize errors in your accounting practices. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you find this guide useful. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.